In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a user flow diagram in Confluence using drawio. This process is straightforward and will help you visually represent user journeys effectively. Let's dive in and explore the steps together. The first thing you need to do is head over to Confluence. It's your go-to platform for collaborative content creation in a team setting. Once you're on the Confluence landing page, you'll want to log in with your email address. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials, and then proceed by clicking on the Continue button. This will take you directly to your Confluence homepage. For many users, especially those with a Google account, logging in is even easier. By selecting Continue with Google, you can conveniently sign in using your Google credentials without the need to enter your password again. Simply select your email address from the options and you'll be logged in almost instantly. Now that you're in Confluence, the next step is to create a new document where your diagram will reside. Look for and click on the Create button. This is your starting point for assembling a new page or document in Confluence. After clicking Create, go ahead and choose the Page option from the menu. This will give you a blank canvas to work with. Beneath the title bar, you'll see a menu bar with several options. Click on More Elements to expand your selection of tools and plugins. In the search bar that appears, type draw.io to find the add-on. Draw.io is an excellent tool for creating detailed diagrams with ease directly in Confluence. Once you locate it, click on Draw.io diagram from the drop-down menu. If you prefer another method, you can also type draw.io directly on the page. Then select Insert a new draw.io diagram from the suggested options. This step will launch the draw.io interface where you can start building your user flow diagram. Now to the fun part, creating your diagram. Using the tools provided by draw.io, select shapes that accurately represent your process flow. You have a range of symbols to choose from, each serving different purposes in your diagram. Feel free to get creative and utilize various shapes to make your diagram as clear and informative as possible. As you're assembling the elements, consider styling your diagram for clarity. Click on Style to modify the shapes and fill them with colors that help differentiate various parts of the flow. Colors not only enhance visual appeal, but also improve readability and understanding of the diagram structure. Once you're satisfied with the design of your flowchart and have reviewed the details, it's time to save and share your work. Click on Publish to save your diagram to Confluence. After publishing, you can easily share it with your colleagues or team members within Confluence, promoting collaboration and discussion based on the visual outline you've just created. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a user flow diagram in Confluence using draw.io. This tool provides a great opportunity to visually articulate processes and optimize them collaboratively. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.